Paano i-compute ang monetization of leave credits, SL, or sick leave and vacation leave? So friends, ito yung tanong ng ating viewer. So I will answer this in a concise, direct to the point, and with example. Alright? Are you ready to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. So before we answer the question, allow me to read Omnibus Rules on Leave, CSC Resolution number 98-3142. Section 22. Monetization of leave credits. Officials and employees in the career or non-career service, whether permanent, temporary, casual, or coterminous, who have accumulated 15 days of vacation leave credits shall be allowed to monetize a minimum of 10 days, provided that at least 5 days is retained after monetization and provided further that a maximum of 30 days may be monetized in a given year. So very clear friends, Civil Service Commission pala ito na rules on leave. So pwede tayo magpa-monetize of leave credits, no? Minimum of 10 days and maximum of 30 days in a given year. So mag-retain lang tayo ng 5 days sa vacation leave. Right? So allowed pala tayo no na in-convert to cash yung leave credits natin. All right? Okay, so question, how about if more than 30 days po na leave credits ang i-monetize? Allowed po ba yan? Answer, Section 23. Ito po. Monetization of 50% of vacation or sick leave credits. Monetization of 50% of all accumulated leave credits may be allowed for valid and justifiable reasons, subject to the discretion of the agency head and availability of funds. So very clear friends, pwede pala no na 50% of your leave credits, no accumulated leave credits, sick leave and vacation leave, pwede po i-monetize. Subject for approval ng agency head po ninyo or manager and availability of funds. For example, sa leave credits nyo, you have 200 total accumulated leave credits, no? Vacation leave and sick leave na. So 50% of that or 100 days, pwede po yan siya i-monetize under Section 23. So moving forward to our answer sa question natin. Ano ba ang formula in computing the monetization of leave credits? Answer, basic monthly salary times 0.0481927 times number of days. So for example, ang employee merong basic monthly salary na 40,000. For example lang, simply multiply to 0.0481927 times 10 days. For example, yung minimum days ang napili niya. So, equal to 19,277.08 ang makuha niya sa monetization po niya. But if i-prefer niya yung 30 days na maximum na monetization, ito po yung lalabas na computation. 40,000 times 0.0481927 times 30 days is equal to 57,831.24. So yan po. So very clear po yung example natin. So hope na nasagot natin ang question ng ating viewer. So kung may questions tayo, comments and suggestions, please write in our comment section below. I will make time to read and answer all your questions. Please like, share this video, and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.